Hello everyone, we are Team Mercury from KSIT Bengaluru. Waste management and its proper disposal has been a major challenge for modern day society. We believe waste management is not only the sole responsibility of governmental organizations but also the organizations such as public sector industries, private sector industries, colleges, hospitals, etc. Hence, we have come across a unique solution to address this issue, which is portable wet and dry waste separator machine as shown. Now, let us talk about TI and non-TI components used in our project. The TI components include MSP430, motor drivers, and moisture detector. The non-TI components are DC motors, hair blower, couplings, conveyor belt, shaft with blades mounted on it, cylinders for collection of dry and wet waste. The final product is likely to be as shown. Now, let us talk about working principle of our prototype. When the waste enters the cylinder, it experiences a resultant force due to the pressure and gravitational forces. The pressure is created by the blades when they rotate, due to which the waste moves towards the walls of the container. Meanwhile, the gravitational force acting on the object pulls it downward. As a result, the waste traces an elliptical path in the cylinder. If the mass of the object is more, then the pressure decreases and gravitational force increases. That is, the object falls on the blade directly. Now, the blade stops the object until pressure and gravitational forces are equal. When pressure and gravitational forces are equal, then a resultant force is applied at an angle of 45 degrees. Due to this resultant force, the object moves in an elliptical path and falls on the conveyor belt. Now, the waste moves towards the scanner compartment, where scanner detects whether it is a wet or a dry waste. In case of dry waste, the scanner provides input to the microcontroller. The microcontroller turns on the hair blower. As the result, dry waste falls to the adjacent wing. Whereas, in case of wet waste, the hair blower does not receive any message from the microcontroller. So, the wet waste falls to the cylinder kept near the conveyor belt, as shown. Through this action, the working process is completed. Technical impact of our product. The product which we have developed has been unique in the market, and we were unable to find any existing solution that resemble ours, which is the portable one. The project involves multidisciplinary aspects, including controlling units, rotary intermittent motion mechanisms, and sensing elements. So, it cannot be restricted to a particular domain.